guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Fatou, and today I am really excited about this video because this is probably my first Amazon haul unboxing video. So if you're Muslim, you know Ramadan is coming. It's right around the corner, and I wanted to buy some decorations to add to the old ones that I have. So I ordered all of it from Amazon. I'm going to be opening them now, and you're going to see my first reaction for every box that I open. And everything that I purchased, I'll be linking them in my Amazon storefront in the description. So if you're interested, you can just click it and get you one. That's my son clapping in the background. He does not respect my content creation work, as you can tell. So you're probably gonna hear him in the background a lot. But the first box that I'm gonna open is this one. Wait, did I just show you my address? Okay, so this is the first box I'm gonna open. I have no idea what is in each box because I just ordered a lot of things and it came in like different boxes. So oh, this is the calendar. I'm gonna break this before it even arrives. Let's see. It should be easy to put together. This is what it looks like. You're supposed to put this here like that. Alright, so this is like first day of Ramadan. So this little thing here, I think it goes in here like this. And then you take the numbers here. So first day of Ramadan will be 0, 1. So it's gonna be day 0, 1 day of Ramadan. So how cute is that? I think as my son grows, we can have fun changing the days. That was the first box. Let's move to the second. This is the second one. Oh, that's the lamps. These were so cute online. So I don't remember if it came in 2 or if I got 2. It probably came as a set. So this is what it looks like. Very nice, very detailed, and it probably already has a battery inside because you're able to pull this, and I guess it turns on. You probably can't see the light because it's really light here, but it has like a yellowish light coming out of it, so you don't even have to worry about getting a battery. But yeah, this is cute. I'll be decorating with these sometime next week because I'm waiting for one more piece. I ordered the moon tree. It's supposed to be 6. Ayan, stop. Eh, leave my camera. So I ordered the moon tree. So that's not gonna be here until next week. So I'm gonna wait for that to come so I can put everything together and decorate. The next box, I have no idea what this is. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I cannot wait. I'm not gonna remove it from the box because I'm not ready to use it yet. Well, I can't wait to put all of these together. So it's so pretty. It has like a little stand here. So you just have it sitting, and it has, so this will be like hanging from the moon. And this is a moon and the flowers in the bottom. It's really pretty. Very pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that in the box so I don't mess it up before I'm actually decorating. And what's in the next box? Okay, so there are 2 things in the next box. This one look like string lights. I don't remember ordering string lights. It's not stringlets. It's another moon. Look at this. So pretty. And this one also, the light comes on. This one you do have to put batteries in, but it has like lights here. And these two are lamps, I believe. I want to add some lamps under the moon tree. I also want to add some lamps on top of my fireplace. So this is what this one looks like. It's smaller than I thought. I don't know how I want to reference. Like, this is what it looks like. Okay, this is the true size. It's smaller than I thought, but I think it's cute. Okay, this one too, you don't need a battery. It comes. So this is what it looks like turned on. This next one is, oh. Can you tell I love the moon theme? So this is another moon. Light strings as well. I think you probably have to do that yourself. And it also has this. I'm guessing that goes in here. Oh no, the lights goes in here. Like that. So that's how that one goes. La Jila. And this one too, you have to put batteries inside, and then you're able to turn on this light here. What is this? Oh, this one is, I'm not good at editing. I'm gonna try to add a picture in the screen if I can. But this one is like a snack tray. I plan on putting like the dates and like little chocolate snacks in this. So this way you can grab one to break your fast before actually eating. So that's that. Okay, this one has a lot inside. So this is the ornaments that I went with. It's like the moon, it says Eid and things like that. So this is the ornaments that I'm going to be adding to the moon tree. And the moon tree also comes with its own ornaments. I just wanted to add this because this is the color of my house. My house is white, black, and gold. So I thought this will go well with my house decoration. And this one, I don't know what this is. Oh, I know what this is. Oh wow, this is bigger than I thought. Okay, so these are like stocking blocks that you put next to the moon tree. I'm gonna try to insert a picture of it as well if I can. Don't judge me if my editing skills cannot put a picture there. So if you can't see the picture, click in my Amazon storefront. You will be able to see it from there. Oh, I know what this is. This is so pretty. So you put it here, you slide it in there, and I believe it comes with candles. These are candles, and you can put the candles here. It's fake candles that you can just turn on. This one is the last box. Oh, so this one is a little, so this is like a little gift for like the 30 days of Ramadan. So if you have children, I think this will be fun. Like every day of the Ramadan, they will open one. So let's say like the first day, they'll open and they will have a gift inside. You know what I mean? Like little, I plan on putting like little toys inside. It doesn't come with the toys. I think you have to get the toys yourself. But how cute is this, and how fun will this be for your child? That every day that they're able to fast, they can pull this and have a toy inside or have a little gift inside for them. So I think that's really cute. I like it. I like it. And for children, I think until the age of 7, it's more of teaching them what Ramadan is and what fasting is to get them into routine. So even if they're able to fast like 2-3 hours or until 12 p.m., you know, at least in my opinion, I think that's fine. As long as they're learning what their religion is and what fasting really is and what Ramadan is truly about. Yeah, that's all I got for now. I'm waiting for the moon tree to actually decorate everything and set everything up. I'm going to make a video when I'm doing that, and I think it'll be really fun. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the decorating video that I'll be posting probably a week from now, and we'll see what it looks like. And like I said, if you're interested in any of these pieces, have them linked in my Amazon storefront in the description box. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Love you, bye.